Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to generate Hunyuan text to video in just 6 steps. Can you believe it? It used to take 50 steps to create a video, but now it's simplified down to just 6. First, we'll even compare the two processes side by side in this video. 50 steps versus 6 steps. After this, we are also comparing the results of three different models: Sora, Hunyuan 50 steps, and Hunyuan 6 steps. You'll see how amazing the video quality looks in just 6 steps compared to the other models. Now, let's get started with generating a video using Hunyuan in just 6 simple steps. First, head over to ComfyUI blog and download the workflow. You can download the workflow from here. Next, open ComfyUI and load the workflow. In this setup, I'm using a system with 12 GB VRAM and everything we generate here will run on that. To run this workflow, you will need to download a few files. First, download pytorch_model.pt and save it in the VAE folder of ComfyUI. Then, download mp_rank_00_model_states.pt and save it in the diffusion model folder. For dual clip load, you will need two files, clip I of Flux and lava llama 3 fp8. Save both of these in the text encoder folder of ComfyUI. Once you have the files, load them into ComfyUI. In load VAE, select pytorch_model.pt. In load diffusion model, select mp_rank_00_model_states.pt. If you encounter repeated memory allocation errors, set the weight D type to FP8. For dual clip load, select clip I of Flux for clip 1 and lava llama 3 FP8 for clip 2 and set the type to Hunyuan video. Now, configure the workflow. Add your text prompt in the clip text encoder and set the flux guidance to 10. And model sampling to 7. In empty latent, set the resolution to 848 by 480 or use 720 by 1224 for HD. In the basic scheduler, select the simple scheduler and set the number of steps to 6. For higher quality results, you can increase this to 20. Here is an example prompt I'll use. A curious raccoon peers through a vibrant field of yellow sunflowers, its eyes wide with interest. The playful yet serene atmosphere is completed by soft natural light filtering through the petals, mid-short warm and cheerful tones. Now let's generate the result. So now we have got the result by using just 6 steps. We were able to produce an incredible result. It's truly remarkable that such high quality visuals can be achieved in just 2 minutes on a 12 GB VRAM setup. The generated video beautifully captures the playful yet peaceful essence of the scene, with the Raccoon's curiosity shining through in the soft, warm tones, creating an inviting atmosphere. However, despite the impressive outcome, we noticed a small issue, a glitch in the video frames. These glitches slightly disrupt the overall smoothness and flow of the video, affecting its quality also. To address this issue, we recommend increasing the number of steps from 6 to 10. This change will allow the system to redefine the details more effectively, smoothing out the frames and enhancing the overall quality of the animation. Once you have adjusted the steps, regenerate the video and check the output to confirm that the issue has been resolved. By taking this approach, the final video should achieve an even higher level of polish, fully capturing the charm and warmth of the raccoon amidst the sunflower field. The new result is significantly better than the previous one. The glitches have been resolved and the frames now transition seamlessly, creating a much smoother and more polished final product. The details are more refined with the raccoon's curious expression and the vibrant sunflower field rendered beautifully. The warm and cheerful tones are now even more pronounced, and the soft natural light adds a serene and inviting atmosphere to the scene. You can see in 6 steps it took 201 seconds only, but there was some glitch. And now in 10 steps, the version is more better and it just took 228 seconds only. And the results have been upgraded. Now we will go for 20 steps for more higher results and quality. So results are here and you can see it took only 430 seconds to get this amazing result. We finally achieved the result using 20 steps. And it's unbelievable that it only took 430 seconds to generate this video, even on a low VRAM system. The outcome is stunning, as you can see. The video looks incredibly realistic and highly detailed. The sunflower appearance The sunflower appear vibrant and lifelike, and the raccoon's expression and movement are beautifully rendered, making the entire scene feel almost tangible. If you are working with a low VRAM system, don't worry. You can still generate high quality videos like this by following these steps and optimizing your settings. The right adjustments, such as increasing the number of steps, can make all the difference in producing professional grade results. If you enjoyed this video and found the process helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on creating amazing videos and visuals. Good day.